Good morning, class. So today we'll start with exercise 3.3. Before starting exercise 3.3, you should know some formulas. So there are basically 22 formulas which you have to write, and then you have to learn them also. Clear? Because these all formulas are there which will be used every time in trigonometry now and then. In this chapter also and in other chapters also. So these formulas are very important every time. Whenever you will be using trigonometry, these all formulas will be very important. So please note down the formulas. Cos of x plus y. The proof of this cos of x plus y we have already done if you remember in the last class. So what is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Next is your second formula, cos of x minus y, which is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Yes, just see what is cos x plus cos of x plus y. When we are having cos of, suppose we are having cos 75 degree, you don't know the value of cos 7. If I ask you to find the value of cos 75 degree, how you will find? You can write this as cos what? 75 degree or any other degree. So how you can write cos 30 plus 45? Suppose you have to find cos 75 degree, you can write this as cos 30 plus 45. So cos 30 plus 45, you know the value of cos 30, cos 45 minus sin 30, sin 45. So it will be easy for you to calculate. Clear? So where it will be used, that also I told you. Same way cos x minus y. So for any value, you can use this formula. It is not compulsory for finding the values. Somewhere in proving the questions also. You know that in trigonometry, we have to prove also. Questions of proof are also there. So there also we can use this. And how we are going to use it? Slowly, gradually, when we will do the questions, then you will understand. Now, one more thing. When you are having cos of x plus y, just see both cos are coming, then both sin are coming. When you are having plus sign, this is just for your learning. When we are having plus sign here, we will get minus here. Only in cos, not in sign. Again, just see, when you are having minus sign here, we are having plus here. Just the opposite. This is just for your learning. It's my way of learning formulas. You can have your own ways also. Then third one is sine of x plus y. This can be written as sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Yeah, same way, sine of x minus y. This can be written as sine of sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Yeah, just see here in sine. I told you it was only valid for cos. Just see in sine. One sine, one cos is coming, and in plus it will come plus, in minus it will come minus. And first sine x, then cos y, then cos x, sin y. Clear? The next one, fifth formula, you are having tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y. So you will get tan x. Yes, what happened? Anyone having any problem? Then please ask. Yes. Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Clear? Then sixth formula is tan of x minus y, which is equal to tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. These are your 5 formulas you must have written here. We are having in the denominator 1 plus tan x tan y. In this, if you have not written, tan of x minus y is what? Tan x minus tan y upon. Here we were having an x plus y. In the numerator we were having positive and denominator negative. Here we are having in the numerator it is positive, and in the denominator, if it is not visible, note it down, 1 plus tan x tan y will be there. 1 plus tan x tan y. Or should I write it here again? I'm writing it here, sixth formula again. Tan of x minus y can be written as tan of x minus 10 of y upon 1 plus 10x 10y. Clear? Then seventh formula is cot of x plus y and cot of x minus y. Cot of x plus y, which is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot x plus cot y. Same way, next formula is cot of x minus y. It will have what? Cot of x, cot of y minus 1 upon cot of y minus cot of x. Here you just see, here we are having cot x plus cot y, means you can write cot y plus cot x, but here we are having cot y minus x in a cot of x minus y. Cot of y minus x. I think so it is visible. If it is not, let me write it down again. We are having cot x cot y minus 1, sorry, cot x cot y plus 1 upon 1 minus, sorry, cot y minus cot x. Cot of y minus cot of x. Now it is visible? Yes, it is visible now. So these are your 8 formulas. Now I'll rub these first 6 formulas from this side so that I can write more one. Now your next is in question number 8. Question number 9 you are having, sorry, it's not question number 9, so formula 9 is cos 2x. Again, this is an important one. There are 4 formulas of cos 2x. There are 4 formulas of cos 2x. What are these 4 formulas? Cos square x minus sine square x, or you can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1, or you can write 1 minus 2 sine square x, or you can write 1 minus 10 square x upon 1 plus 10 square x. So you can see cos 2x is having 4 formula. Either you can use it as cos square x minus sine square x, or you can use it as 2 cos square x minus 1, and or you can use it as 1 minus 2 sine square x, or 1 minus 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square x. In any form you can use. And how you got this formula? You can use it cos of x plus y. Now here x plus y will be what? Cos of x plus x. If you write cos of x plus x means what? Cos of 2x. Now what is the formula? Cos a cos b plus sin a, sorry, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. You will get this way only. Cos x minus sin x sin x. So cos square x minus sin square x. Clear? So the proofs will never come, but then also you should know. You all know. We know the formula of cos x plus y. So cos 2x can be written in the form of cos x plus y. How we can write? Cos x plus cos x. Now again the same formula for sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x, or it can also be written in the form of 10 as 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Clear? Now 10 to x, I think so it will not be visible here. Let me try. 10 to x can also be written as 2 tan x upon 1 minus 10 square x. Now just see sin 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Same way 10 to x is what? 2 tan x upon 1 minus 10 square x. Is it visible? 2 tan x upon 1 minus 10 square x. Clear? Then next one, your next formula is, we'll rub this side. So you have written 11 formulas. Now come to the 12th formula. So formula number 12 is what? Sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin 3x can be written as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Again sin 3x can be written as Sine 2x plus x, and then you can get the formula. What is sine 2x plus x? Sine a plus b form. You know the formula of sine a plus b, sine a. What is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b? So with that also you can find, but I told you, you can get from 2-3 formulas, you can get all the 22 formulas. But in every question, these all things will be used. So you don't have to find each and everything. Clear? So these 22 formulas should be on your tips. Clear? So sine 3x is what? 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Then you're having cos 3x. It is just the opposite. You will have 4 cos cube x first minus 3 sine x. Sorry, 3 cos x. Here we were having what? 3 sine x first and 4 sine cube x afterwards. Here we will have 4 cos cube x first, 3 cos x afterwards. Then 14th is tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus 10 cube x. 3 tan x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x. 1 minus 3 10 square x. Then 15th formula, your 15th formula is what? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y. Now just see what was your earlier formula, cos of x plus y. This is something different, cos x plus cos y, which is equal to, cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by, just see, when cos is there, then both cos will be there. When plus is there, when minus is there, then both sign will be there. See the 16th formula. Cos of x minus cos of y is equal to minus times 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. Clear? Then 16th and 17th formula. Sine x plus sine y. Sine x plus sine y. It will be what? 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Clear? 2 cos x plus y, sorry, sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Then 18th formula, is it visible? It will not be visible here, so I'll write that side. Now I'll rubbing that side. Your 18th formula is sine x minus sine y. Sine of x minus sine of y, which is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. Then 19th formula, cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, it is equal to 2 cos x cos y. Now again this formula, how you have got this formula? You know the formula of cos x plus y. What is cos x plus y? I will show you. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. The formula of cos x plus y is what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Formula of cos x minus y plus sin as it is. What is the formula of cos x minus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x, sorry, plus sin x sin y. I told you when minus is there, here plus is there. When plus is there, here minus is there. So one term is negative, one is positive. So what you are going to get? 2 times cos x cos y. Clear? So all the formulas are basically can be derived from the formulas which we have written, but then also at times they are used directly, and then to realize that this formula how we can do it will be difficult for you, because you can use this 2 cos x cos y also in this form. Clear? If question is 2 cos x cos y, how you can write this way? Clear? 2 cos 30 cos 45 or something else. then you can use this formula directly. 19, then 20 cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. This can be written as same way, the same formula, minus 2 sin x sin y. Clear? Then 21 sin x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Again open the bracket, you will get what? 2 sin x cos y. Same way, 22 last one, sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y, it is equal to 2 cos x sin y. 2 cos x sin y. Clear? These are your 22 formulas which you have to learn. Clear? Now, based on these only, we will have some questions. Based on this only, we will have some questions. But before that, I want to ask you something. In the last exercise, when I explained you about how to get the values of sin 90 plus cos 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, I just want to check whether you have understood it or not. So please give me the answer. You can unmute yourself and answer the questions which I am asking. Clear? So you can unmute yourself to answer the questions. First one is cos of 180 minus theta, what it will be, and cos of 270 minus theta. Then cos of 360 minus theta. Same way, cos of 90 minus theta. Yes, who will tell? What is cos of 90 minus theta? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and let me know. Cos 90 minus theta, anyone? Mayur, Rabjot, Tanishq, Anant. Yes. If you are confused, then again I will explain you. Just see. I told you in 90 minus 90 plus change. Change means what? Change means what? Cos will change to sine. So it will be what? Sine theta. Now cos 90 minus theta, where it will lie? This angle is 90 degree. So 90 minus theta means it will lie somewhere here in the first quadrant. And in the first quadrant, all are positive. All are positive means it will be positive plus sine theta. Then cos 180 minus theta, where it will lie? 180 minus theta in the second quadrant. And in 180 minus theta plus theta, what I told you? No change. So it will be cos theta. But see the sign. Cos 180 minus theta will lie in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive. So this is what? Cos. So it will be what? Negative. Then cos 270 minus theta. This is 270. This is 270 degree angle. So 270 minus theta will lie somewhere what? In the third quadrant, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90. Theta is what? Greater than 0 and less than 90. So again it will lie in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, what I change? Change, no change, change. Change means what? Will change to sine theta. And in 270 minus theta, only tan and cot are positive. So again cos is what? Negative. So it will be negative. Then cos 360 minus theta. This is cos 360. 360 degree angle from here to here. Then 360 minus theta, where it will lie? In the fourth quadrant. And fourth quadrant cos is positive. And change, no change it will come. Change, no change, change, no change. So it will be cos theta. And in the fourth quadrant, what we are having? Cos positive. So we will get cos theta. So these all things you should remember. Clear? Now it's time. Yes, class. Any problem? Any problem, anyone? Please ask. If you have any problem, please ask. If you have any problem, Mayur, Patodi, Tanish, please ask. Otherwise, I'm asking you some questions. Give me the answers. Please unmute yourself. Yes, you can unmute now. I have given you the permission to unmute yourself. If you have any problem, you ask. Otherwise, when I'm asking something, please give the reply. Again, I will ask you some questions. Now, same thing I will ask for plus theta. Instead of minus, I will ask for plus theta. So you will have cos of tan of cot of sec of. Now I have changed the questions. It is plus theta, minus theta, minus theta. Now let me know the first answer who will tell. Cos 90 plus theta. Two things you have to keep in mind. In 90 plus 90 minus change. Change means what? Cos will change to sin, sin will change to cos, tan will change to cot, cot will change to tan, and then sec will change to cosec, cosec will change to sec. Clear? First thing. Second thing, where it is lying in which quadrant? Quadrant is what? All first quadrant, all positive, sin, tan, cot. This is cos. All sin, tan, cos. Now sin means what? Sin cosec. Tan means what? Tan cot will be positive. Now you let me know, any one of you, what is cos 90 plus theta? Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and tell me.
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Why? Because it changes. In 90 minus 90 plus, it changes. Now 90 plus theta, will it be plus or minus? You said plus. Just see, cos is what? Cos is what? Positive in the second quadrant. Where it is lying? 90 plus theta is lying where? In the second quadrant. It is lying where? 90 plus theta. Second quadrant. If it is in the second quadrant, cos is what? Negative. So it will be, instead of plus, it will be minus. Is that clear? The one who answered? Then come to tan 180 plus theta. Anyone who can answer tan 180 plus theta? Yes. Tan 180 plus theta. 90 minus 90 plus change. 180 minus 180 plus no change. Yes.
Tan theta.
Tan theta. Positive or negative? 180 plus theta, where it will lie?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. And then third quadrant, tan is what? Positive, so it will be
Positive.
plus. Very good. Very good. The one who answered. Cot 270 minus theta. Cot 270 minus theta. Change? No change? Change. So cot will change to? Cot will change to? Yes, anyone?
Tan.
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 Very good. So tan theta. Now 270 minus theta, where does it lie? 270 minus theta. What is 270? This is
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Third quadrant. Cot is positive or negative? Yes.
Positive.
Positive. Very
Positive.
good. Now sec of 360 minus theta. Sec of 360 minus theta. Change, no change, change, no change. No change means what? Sec theta. Now just see, sec theta 360 minus theta, where it will lie? In the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what we are having? Cos as positive. If cos is positive, that means what? Sec will also be positive. So it will be what? Plus sec theta. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll ask one more question. You have to answer, then we will, then tomorrow we'll continue with the exercise because it's time right now. So we'll do one question I will ask. Tell me, tan of 180 minus 45. What will be the answer? Tan of 180 minus 45. Anyone who can tell me the answer? Tan of 180 minus 45 degree. 180 degree minus 45 degree. What will be the answer? Where it will lie? First tell me where it will lie. First, second, third or fourth? Which quadrant it will lie?
Third. Third.
Third. 180 minus 45. This is 180 degree. Minus
Second.
Second quadrant. Very good. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So this will be negative. So minus sign will come. Then what is tan 180 minus theta? In 90 minus 90 plus change. 180 minus 180 plus no change. So tan of 45 degree. So the answer will be what? Minus. What is tan 45? Anyone? Yes.
1.
1. So minus 1 will be your answer. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Yes. Yes, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, class.